Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is the time where it has arrived. Microsoft Edge 91 has arrived today with a few new features, and of course moving on from version 90 that we were in the past month. So go to your Edge browser. In your Edge browser you will have, first of all, there's some assistance from Microsoft that might pop up. And it says here, use Microsoft recommended browser settings, default search engine. Don't update your browser settings. That's what I'm going to choose and apply them. That's possible that it gets there. First of all, the other thing that is going to happen here is that you now have new personalizations in the settings. So if you go into settings, go into appearance. Well, now you have more themes. For example, I applied the sunny day theme, but you can have discover more themes from the store and add these to your browser. So here are some of the things like Wandering Fields and The Mist and Halo and whatever you want to have. You can get that, and it totally will actually customize your feel of the browser, including the menus and the toolbars at the top. So that's one of the things that is new in here. The second thing is that we talked about the fact that there are sleeping tabs. Now sleeping tabs actually change color after a certain time, and sleeping tabs are there to kind of stop using CPU and some kind of take away some of the performance of your PC by just being inactive. So Microsoft had announced at Build that there were a lot of improvements in speed and performance. One of them is this, is that when tabs go to sleep, apparently the browser is actually going to be much faster. They are talking about the fact that it actually will use up to 82% less memory, RAM memory. So all of that, of course, will be applied to better performance overall on your PC and in the browser itself. So this is something that is been talked about a lot. If you're shopping and you go to specific websites that are available with the feature, there's a coupon feature where it can actually tell you that maybe the price is going to be better on this place or that place, or it can even tell you that something you've been looking at that you want to purchase has a price drop, and even give you a price history of different things you want to buy. So if you like that type of feature, it might be of interest to use Edge to save some money, apparently. In the new tab, you have Personalize now, that you can actually personalize and discover your favorite stuff, and you can choose what you like, what you want, and discover different interests. So this is going to be changing. That also, by the way, when you do that, will help apply that to the news and interest button when you actually use it on your computer. So that news and interest will actually have news that will follow those guidelines that you've chosen in the Edge browser itself, since all of that is integrated together. Basically, the Bing is the main driver of both the news and interest, and the news and interest uses the Edge browser stable version for the appearance. And that's pretty much what you have and what is available in this new version of Edge. If you want to have the latest version, what do? Well, simply go to Edge, go into the upper right corner, and the dots, help and feedback about Microsoft Edge. It should update you to 91.0.864.37 today, Thursday, May 27th, 2021. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.